So hi everyone, I'm Mansi Pawar. Welcome back to my channel, and this is my day 5 of CAT preparation. So basically I started my day with RCs. I solved 2 RCs. Solving RC is like a ritual now. I start my day by solving RCs. After that, instead of giving the sectional mock, I solved more VA questions because in yesterday's mock test I made a lot of mistakes. That's why I focused on para jumble, para summary and odd one out. Okay, so after that, in quant section, today I've more focused on time and work and time, speed, distance. So I watched the concept builder videos and I solved, I think, 20-25 questions from the ebooks. So yeah, but I'm facing a lot of problem with solving these questions. So मैं कल फिर से रिवाइज करूँगी ये, और मेरे टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट भी इस पे बाकी है. So I will do it tomorrow. And also one more thing, as per my target of this week, I almost done with arithmetic. Yeah, so on this weekend, in tomorrow, on Saturday and Sunday, I'll just practice more questions and take a 2-3 mocks. Then I'll start with algebra in the next week. So इवनिंग में हमारी LIDI की क्लास थी, इन विच वी कवर्ड द LIDI DLR केसलेट्स. सो वहाँ पे हमने 2 सेट सॉल्व किए एंड 1 होमवर्क में दिया था, लेकिन मैंने तीनों भी फिर से किए बिकॉज आई वॉज facing the difficulty in solving them. That's why. So honestly, I'm thinking that LIDI is still my weak area and I need to practice it more consistently. So I have to practice more and more on LIDI. Yeah, so that's it for today. I covered all the 3 sections today, but today was a good and balanced day, and it's definitely, I'm seeing the progress and more aware of my weak areas now. So the aim is to keep going step by step and improve daily. So, and also I saw some of the comments where you ask about coaching and when I started preparation, all this. So basically I have joined one of the coaching, but वहाँ से मुझे क्वांट इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I attended the live lectures also, but I'm not getting, मतलब बहुत सारे प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस वगैरह इतने नहीं हुए और मुझे कंसेप्ट्स भी नहीं समझ आए, इसलिए मैं अभी यूट्यूब से क्वांट कर रही हूँ. रोधा प्लेलिस्ट है वहाँ से. अभी अरिथमेटिक आई एम डन, ऑलमोस्ट डन विद अरिथमेटिक, एंड आई विल स्टार्ट विद अलजेब्रा फ्रॉम Monday onwards. So yeah, that's it for my today's update. So let's keep moving forward. Bye.